Hello and welcome to a bit of a motorcycling themed video today. I've been changing my tyres or rear tyre on the Honda here, and I used a really good thing which I'll show you, which is the BeadPro from Motionpro, which has got a sort of a hook and a fork set up to it, and they're very good at getting under the rim and levering the bead apart so that you can get the get your tire off the rim. On a tubeless tire it's pretty difficult to do, you know, but these have this little system where they prise it apart. There's a bit of video following which will show you it in action, but I found them to be really good. They're a bit expensive, but they're really lightweight, they're quite small, and well worth getting because you can carry them on the bike without adding weight, you know. So here's the video. So you can see here from the fork part that you have to really dig into the rim as far as you can get. It really needs the ends of that fork to touch the inside of the rim, and then you prise both of those together. You see it pushes down the bead of the tyre. So doesn't seem like it's done much, but it has moved it along. The thing is, it's still got air in it at this stage, in the very middle, I guess. I have emptied the air and taken the valve core out, but when I finally get that bead broken, you hear air coming out of it, you know. See, it is moving. I think it's probably on the next one. You see, I keep moving around the rim, and it's best to have soapy solution on your tyre and rim at this point. I kept putting it on, but it was a very hot day and it kept drying out, so I still got carried away in the heat of the moment. You see the hook goes in there, you squeeze both of them together, there we go, and then push down, and that's the point where the air came out. Oh, it must be this bit where I heard that seal go. It's quite a, you know, it's quite a tough thing to do because they're not super long. There we go. So at that point you can see it shifted down, and then it becomes easier because, you know, the rest of the tyre you can sort of walk down by treading on the edge of it, you know. So there we go, and then we get on to the rim protectors, which you can see here behind my hand. But yeah, you can see that I'm levering against that rim protector rather than against the rim of the wheel, and it's a bit of a struggle to get the first bit, always is, you know. I think I used two levers to good effect this way, just to lift it. You see that's lifted. And if you leave if you've got a sprocketed bike, if you leave that so that you can get that first side off on the sprocketed side, then you can put your levers under the sprocket to anchor them, you know, like I did here. It was a little stubborn to get the second one in, so I decided I would just give it a bit more jip there. There we go. And then try again here. Now, they're quite good, the Motionpros, because one end of them is this hook and fork, and the other end is like a normal tyre lever. So you can see the rim protector in action there. There you go. So it's off that rim.
quite a good system.
So as you can see there, they work really well at getting that tyre off the bead, and you can get them on Amazon, you can get them in online at bike stores and stuff like that. I didn't find them in Germany in many other places other than Amazon, to be honest, but there you go. I think once you've bought them you don't need to buy another pair, so very, very good. And also the rim shields, which look like that. There's another one just fallen down, but they're really tough things which go over the rims and protect that if you so desire. So I think getting them together is a good idea. So I hope you enjoyed that bit of a biking themed one in lovely Germany today, where it's been very hot and it's not so hot now. It's sort of going a bit misty and cold, but it is only March after all. So if you're on two wheels, keep safe and keep it upright, and I'll see you again. Cheers.